Okay, so I want to do 7.2's number 21, which says I've got w squared plus 10w plus 25 is a quarter. What are they asking us to do? Solve by complete the square?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do I start complete the square?
Minus 25.
Okay, I can subtract 25. So then I've got w squared plus 10w equals
1/4 minus 25.
quarter minus 25 is probably inconvenient here, right? 25 is 100 quarters, right? You see this?
Mm-hmm.
This is probably actually a bad idea. This is a little clever. There was a cleverer thing I could have done, but let's just do this because,
Wrong.
well, none of you have suggested the cleverer thing, so that's okay. It's okay. If you don't see it, you pay a little price sometimes. I wouldn't have seen it if I hadn't done 400 of these, so let's not worry about it. What's the next thing?
Which is also
Combine the 1/4 and the negative 100.
Okay, and then what am I going to want to do? Yeah, I'm going to want to add blanks, right? So I'm going to add blanks and combine like terms here a little bit. Okay, so I've got w squared plus 10w plus blank is, how many quarters are there? Negative 99 quarters, right? And then I need a blank over there too. Okay, then what? Did I do something dorky?
No. You
Okay.
need the brackets. I'm just doing the brackets.
Okay, so I need this setup, right?
Yeah.
So something squared is 99 quarters plus a blank. What goes in the something? W plus something.
Plus 5.
5? Why 5?
Divided by 2.
Yeah, you took this 10 and divide by 2. Then we need to fill in all the blanks, right?
Which is 25.
So we need to fill them in with 5 squared. Right, so I get 25 for each blank. Why are you raising your hand?
Because it's not related to the problem.
Go for it.
I think I'm gonna be sick, so
Oh, go.
I'm just gonna head out, so.
Okay. All right. Thoughts?
If she goes up, I'm gonna throw up.
I'm not gonna throw up.
Good. I want to combine the 25 with the other stuff present, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I should make 25 into 100 quarters. Oh, wait. That feels really familiar, right?
Yeah.
So I've got w plus 5 squared is minus 99 quarters plus 100 quarters. If you want to write, me an email, I'll point you to what you need. Apparently I was looking somewhere else when I wrote that. Okay. Now what?
Yeah.
Wait, what the hell?
Exactly.
So I got w plus 5 squared is a quarter. And this feels like I'm right back to where I started, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's because I missed something. That was a perfect square trinomial at the beginning,
I
right?
caught that on the paper. I don't know why I didn't catch that.
So I went in a little circle, yeah.
Yeah.
Did anything happen that wasn't right?
No.
Yeah.
No, I just paid a little price for not noticing a perfect square trinomial. Shit happens, right? Here we are. We're still at the right place. We still have our completed square. Yeah, it took a little longer than it had to, but I'm still at the right spot. So what do? That's complete the square, done there. What's my next step?
Square it. Root it.
Square root it.
Yeah, I need to extract the roots. So we'll apply plus or minus square root to both sides. I'll get w plus 5 is plus or minus a half. You guys all see that one?
Yeah.
Don't feel bad if you don't, right? Plus or minus a quarter and sort it out. Really, it's okay. I don't care if you see these things right away. In fact, I would kind of encourage you to write all the steps down. Now what?
Negative 5 over the other way.
Okay, so subtract 5 from both sides. So I got w is negative 5 plus or minus 1/2. Now what? Okay, my two answers. And I should make it 10 over 2. You guys all see that? Okay, so I'm going to replace that 5 with 10 over 2.
Okay. Why?
Add fractions
Common
together,
bottom.
get a common
Yeah, when I add fractions together, I need a common
bottom.
bottom. Thank you. Okay, so I get w is
Negative 11 halves. Or
perfect. Negative 11 halves or negative 9 halves? Why'd you do the bizarre thing and subtract first? Okay,
under that.
cool. Does it matter at all?
No.
No.
As long as you get the answer.
Yeah, so there's my answer. Check, done. It was the fact that you looped back around, wasn't it?
No, it was
Oh.
the common bottom problem.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
At the very end. Okay, yeah. When you add fractions, you need the common bottom.
What would you have done if you did see that it was a perfect square trinomial at the beginning?
If you did see that it was a perfect square trinomial, you get to play a much faster game. You start with this, you notice it's a perfect square, and you hop to that step. See that? Just factor the left-hand side into its perfect square. Then I can just run extraction of roots on that thing. Complete this square is all about forcing a perfect square trinomial. That's really what this whole business is and does. Right? This is me adding a blank so that I can force this left-hand side to be a perfect square trinomial.
Seems so much easier.
Sometimes you just have it, you don't have to force it. You guys see that? So it pays to check for a second whether that's a perfect square. But learning complete the square well isn't going to steer you wrong. Even if you're not very observant, you can still complete the square. Cool? Don't feel bad if you miss those. I miss them all the time.